All right. I want to share with you guys a very interesting topic, and it's a topic that I think may help you guys. Okay. When I first start learning photography, I want to shoot some photos that have a really blurry effect. Okay. I watch a lot of people like upload photos on Instagram, and they got like focused on the model, like amazing guy, amazing girl, standing here, and everything just become pretty blurred. And whether it's at night, or maybe if it's night, you got some like some light source below, behind, maybe some lamp, maybe some like a window that there's light coming from the window. I got all sorts of amazing things, and I love this, and I don't know how to take photo like this. Um, but luckily, I right now know. So remember the last time we talked about a concept called aperture, or f-stop, or f scale, something like that. So basically, it's the like the circle inside of your um, camera, and that circle can become like smaller or bigger. So if it become bigger, the f scale just become bigger. And remember, it's a fraction. Okay, so it's f here, f divided by that specific number. So f is here, right? Divided by a certain number. So if the f scale is much bigger, so this number should be smaller, right? Like 1.4 or 2. So the whole thing become bigger. So the whole circle just become bigger. And that will result in a lot of light coming through, and it will change the depth of the field. Okay, this is a new concept called depth of field, and if it's really large, it's a large aperture or large f scale, will change the depth of field and make it less. So it's sort of like a squeeze the photo. I squeeze the photo. So for example, I got a thing here. Okay, if I make this really really close, and tend to you know make the focus on this thing, and everything down below, like down below, is pretty blurred. Okay, so sort of like a squeeze the space and make everything below, behind, just blur it out. Okay, so that's called the less depth of field. And right now, I think it's like the more depth of field, because you can see me like really above it. I can see this bed. Okay, I can see this like a pillows. This is like a fence system made for my son, so he won't like fall down from bed. Yeah, so that's called like a more depth of field. Okay, pretty low, and you can see the hands pretty close to you, as well as hand pretty behind you, as clear as possible. So it's called the not not to press the space. Okay, so if it's just like less depth of field, just me and everything else is gone. It's just blurred out, but you can get a lot of information. Okay, I'm just you know it's like a jujutsu kaisen. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. But I just want to show you that the bigger the aperture, remember f divided the bigger, so the less the number. So bigger the aperture, the bigger the space inside of here. So more light coming through, but it can also give you a less depth of field. So you get a amazing blur effect. So on the contrary, small aperture will give you a more depth of field, so you will capture everything clearly, but without this, they're just missing this artistic blur effect. So, yeah, that's the depth of field for you. Okay, So next time you want to take like really blurred picture, just decrease the depth of field by using a bigger aperture or larger aperture, bigger scale, bigger f-stop, bigger scale, bigger lenses. Okay, and sometimes the lens is like it's a fixed, they can't change the aperture, so you have to be really careful when you select that. So if you want to capture all the things, you don't want to just to focus on things and blur everything out. Say for example, you go to travel and look at, whoa, it's a Niagara Falls, something like that. It's like a really high uh, scenery. Okay, you have to like change your camera like this way. So you need to use a smaller aperture and use more depth of field to just capture everything. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye. And this is about digital art, not just about photography. So it's like a photography plus, okay, premium plus pro max. Okay, and I also going to show you how to not only just take the photo but also add more creativity to it. Okay, thanks, bye.